Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. And these vertical dotted lines, you can see lot of vertical dotted lines. This indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. Now let us go back and see what happened yesterday. You could see this long black color spiked up candlestick. Why we call this as a spiked up candlestick, which means that after the price opening you would have seen the LTP somewhere trading around 5,540s or 50s in that trading zone. So from the price opening it just spikes up. So that is called spiked up price opening. So on the same, looking at this, we could say that the price opened nearly 5,520, and we had marked this as a blue line, which means the respective support and resistance. All the blue color lines indicates the respective possible supports and resistance, and we had explained very clearly the support and resistance interchanges itself. Now let us go back and see what happened after the price opening. What we expected yesterday was that we expected that crude has got the potential to continue and maintain its uptrend till 5,000. You could see that we had a very big stop loss till 5,320 and 5,330. We expected the price to maintain its uptrend. So which means that in all the support zone which we had marked earlier, you can go for an average. So now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, you could see the price straight away went and tested our resistance zone of 5,554. So if you notice that we always draw the support and resistance line earlier. We don't go and draw after the price happening, after the price action happened for a particular day. So we used to draw the support and resistance line before the price actions. If we continuously follow our presentation, we will know that. So once the price reaches the resistance zone, it found a resistance here. As usual, support and resistance is not a single line. Support and resistance is a very big concept. So support and resistance is not a single line, it is a zone. So whenever I say this 5,554 or a single line, it means +5 or -5. It includes that. So the price took the resistance around 5,550s and it came down and tested this 5,520. This is the reason why I told you earlier the support and resistance interchanges itself, which means this 5,520 acted as a resistance earlier. Now it should act as a support. So it found a support here that pushed the price till 5,554, the same zone. You could notice that the price is finding a resistance. As I told you, every single candlestick represents 1 hour. You could see the top of the candlestick, the legs of the candlestick. It is just pushing the resistance zone, and it found a resistance, and the market stay here for 1 hour and more than that. Then it provided a breakout in the evening session, breakout, and then also it came down and tested this zone again. So many times there was a testing. You could see here this particular zone. So many times the price stayed within this zone, and then it at last finally the price went up and closed around 5,570s. So on seeing the entire price action, what we can conclude, so entirely the market was dominated by the buyers. Apart from this selling we had on this or the profit booking selling, the market was dominated by the buyers. The price closed higher compared to the price opening. The price opened somewhere around 5,520. You could see the price closing around 5,570s, and the market has created a new high, and the low compared to the previous week has increased. So when we compare with the open, high, low, close analysis, it shows positive sign. So what we can do today? Today also we are expecting the price to open somewhere near 5,570s. This is the zone where we are expecting the market to open. Based upon the NYMEX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. That may be subjected to changes based on where the rupee is going to stay. So as on saying the NYMEX price direction, we could say the price can open somewhere around 5,570s. So there is no doubt about the trend. Today also we can expect the market to continue its uptrend having 5500, and today we have one more support zone. This is the reason you should closely support and resistance is not a very single concept. You should monitor that and you should understand that very clearly. So you can see that today it will be this 5560 which acted as a resistance in the earlier session of trading yesterday is going to act as a support for today. So these are the support zones which we had marked you earlier, and also the trend lines I had explained you yesterday how it's going to guide us. Still the market is moving away from the trend line, so we can expect the price to test the trend line. So the short term trend and the quite a long term trend also we had drawn it, and I had explained you very clearly. What we are going to do is that today we are going to move the stop loss zone from 5320 which we followed yesterday to 5360. So slowly and steadily, initially you may feel that if you see the yesterday's presentation, you would have felt that the stop loss zone is big higher, and if you go back to the presentation which we had posted on the previous week, you could see slowly and steadily we will be increasing the stop loss zone to come near to the price. So this is the way we work out. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and today also we are expecting crude to show some positive signs. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.